First time mounting a car onto a trailer. Let's get ready. We're out here, bro.
One week later, and we're picking up the 300. Let's go.
Brittany,
Your sister is coming back today. Yo, I'm so excited. My dad's taking me, so gotta go.
No, you're good, man. No worries. Here we are, boys. Just picked up the Z.
He said everything's good. He did the 120K maintenance. He also deleted a lot of stuff, like the he changed out some coolant hoses for the turbos that were kind of bad. So he helped us out a lot.
And there's another twin turbo. He got upgraded turbos, right?
Yeah. 525. That's so sick.
This is goals right here. That's where we're starting, and this is the goal. Make it look this clean.
But huge shout out to Oscar. If you have any 300 questions, I'll put his Instagram right here. Hit him up. He doesn't want to be in the camera, so that's fine. Not everybody likes cameras.
Bunch is back on the road.
And the clutch, he actually was able to fix the clutch much better. What was the problem? Did I not bleed it correctly, or? Oh, it was a booster, right?
Yeah, you upgrade it with an NA pedal, but those boosters, they always give issues. They leak, you know, they'll cause vacuum leaks, they'll cause issues. They'll lose the pedal if you don't have vacuum.
Yeah.
So yeah, NA pedal.
NA pedal, that's the next move. Well, the clutch is much better. Like, it's heavy. Like, extremely heavy. My 370Z clutch was heavy, but this is like next level. So there's that, but I'm so happy that she's back on the road. And let me show you guys real quick before I leave.
He actually hooked us up with new, I don't know what you would call it, but that little plastic right there. Put the Z1 sticker. Changed out some hoses. Fixed her little radiator. It was kind of crooked. Oh man. She's back on the road.
Yo, we're going home. We got a 1 hour drive. Not 30 minutes, not 40 minutes, 1+ hour drive. So yeah, it's gonna be not very fun. There's my dad. We're gonna go home. Don't stop. We're good, boys. We're installing. Let's go. Oh, the car just running great, man. He said the car's running perfect for 180,000 miles. He said it's mint. I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited. Now we gotta go home. If I stall, I will record. But I'm not gonna stall. I will not stall. I refuse to stall. By the way, last night, Logan Paul against KSI fight. Logan lost. I almost cried. All right, let's get home. Hey, 240 gang, let's go. Give me a thumbs up. Yo, I miss this car, bro. Hey, what are you doing? I did a second gear pull and whoa.
If you're wondering when I got this, go watch the video right here. I know you can't hear it, but it looks so sick. Go watch it.
And the tone is protected. But let's get to the main part of the video. Birthday, your sister's back. I am so happy right now
to be able to look at this view again, and them both being drivable. Look how much cleaner this looks. Now you can get a really good look at it. Brand new of these covers, painted black, tucked in everything. Put back the carbon Kevlar. I don't know what you would call this. Tucked in the PTU, all new belts, all new like pulleys, tensioners, everything. It was out of timing, so he fixed that as well. Fixed the knock sensor,
which gave us a check engine light, and since the knock sensor doesn't really let you go into boost, I don't know if I put it in the video, but I did a second gear pull
10 pounds of boost. Like, it gets intense, bro. Next up, I gotta do a couple things myself, but for now, I'm gonna enjoy the car a bit. I see that he tucked away some cables here, made everything look pretty. Basically, everything maintenance-wise that I have to do to this car, it's technically done. Obviously, there's little things here and there, like the filter, I gotta switch out the spark plugs. The main 120K maintenance is done. And if you don't really know what that is, I'm gonna put up a picture right here of everything it includes. Kind of an explanation of what it is that you're supposed to do and everything that it changes out. But let's get to driving. Oh, my hood's still open. Although this clutch is a nightmare, I'm basically gonna have to get used to it because that's how it's gonna be. I'm sorry, I'm acting weird. I'm just happy this car's back. Perfect boost weather, man. So if I don't answer your phone calls or texts, I'm doing pulls in my 300. Oh my gosh, dude! Bro! That first gear pull was pretty intense in 7 pounds of boost. Imagine with 15. And yeah, I found out too that with stock turbos, I can go up to like 400 something horsepower to the wheel. Cool. Other news, tires, dry rotted. eBay lug nuts. They're not gonna believe this. This has been in my car since I bought it. Like, bro, can you, like, what's this gone through, dude? Oh my gosh. Hey, real quick, if you guys are new to this channel, you don't really know why I'm excited. This is my 1992 twin turbo 300Zx, absolute dream car of mine. It was recently at the shop getting work done. Now it's back on the channel. I bought it about 7 months ago. And yeah, it's been a work on project. We've done a lot of stuff to it. We've really brought it up from the ground where it was. And yeah, we still got a lot more things to do to it. I haven't brought this car here since the day I bought it. And as you guys remember, we were parked over there and my, power steering was leaking. So every time I made a turn, it just literally left like a huge just power steering fluid on the ground. It was, but she's back and better than ever because now she's boosting. Also, let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know what you think of this. I feel like the VG is one of the most symmetrical engines I've ever seen. Like, it looks so perfect. And when you clean it up like I'm gonna do, bruh. And yes, I realized that I'm literally just talking to the camera and doing nothing, but today was just basically the vlog of picking up the car. Finally, she's back. The build continues. It took about a week because today's Sunday. I dropped the car off for him on Friday, but he was on yesterday, so it probably took him like a week and so of not seeing the car in the driveway. It definitely felt weird, but we back. But the goal is definitely to make it like the red one. That one had aftermarket turbos. I forgot how big they were. Maybe like, I think it was 52, 55. I don't know, I forgot. But it was making mid 400s. Just looked so clean. It just looked so mint, and that's how I want this car to look. Like, bro, when I'm done, we're making that cool building a 300Zx in 10 minutes type of video. Yo, I just parked over here for the thumbnail and she looks so good. Oh my gosh, bro. I really gotta get used to this clutch. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, post a notification to know whenever I upload. And with that said, let's feel a little bit of boost.
Peace out, boys. I'll see you next time.